Wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.
I never saw a case, I never saw two kids that ever had the same kind of symptoms or anything resembling the other child that also had a diagnosis with autism. There's always something new. And so, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many?
So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented, technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there as well as those beiges.